In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Eventbrite password. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Resetting it is a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes. This method works seamlessly on any device, whether you're using Android, an iPhone, or a computer. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Eventbrite sign-in page. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the address bar eventbrite.com/signing. Hit enter and you'll be taken straight to the page where you can start the reset process. This is the gateway to managing your account and accessing all of Eventbrite's features. Keeping this page handy can save you time in future instances. Once you're on the sign-in page, enter your email address. Make sure it's the one associated with your Eventbrite account. After you've typed it in, click or tap the Continue button. This step ensures that Eventbrite knows which account you're trying to access. It's crucial to use the correct email to avoid any confusion or delays. Now you'll see an option labeled Forgot Password. Go ahead and select that. If prompted, re-enter your email address to confirm it's correct, and then select Continue. This tells Eventbrite that you need help accessing your account. Selecting Forgot Password is a key step because it triggers Eventbrite to send you the necessary instructions to reset your password. After that, check your email inbox. Eventbrite will send you a password reset email from order.eventbrite.com. Look for an email with the subject, Reset Your Eventbrite Password. Sometimes email providers can misplace messages, so it's wise to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. Once you've found the email, open it and click on the link that says Set a New Password. Remember, this reset link is only valid for 2 hours, so it's best to act promptly. This time limit is crucial because it helps maintain the security of your account. If the link expires, you'll need to request a new one. Now it's time to create your new password. Enter your new password and confirm it by typing it again. Select Update Password to finalize the changes. Remember, passwords must be at least 8 characters long and are case sensitive. Choosing a strong password is important because it helps protect your account from unauthorized access. If you didn't receive the email, don't panic. There are a few things you can try. First, check your spam or junk folder, as emails can sometimes end up there. If it's still not there, wait a few minutes and try again. Make sure you're using the correct email address associated with your account. If needed, you can request another reset email. These steps ensure that you don't miss out on the crucial email needed to regain access to your account. With that, you've successfully reset your Eventbrite password. Remember, keeping your password secure is vital for protecting your account and personal information. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher. See you next time.